everybody. My name is Sophia.
And I'm Daddy.
And
today is Christmas Day.
yes, finally.
Yeah, and Sophie received some new slime, bucket of slime. It's called, I hope you can see it, Mix and Mash. It's oddly satisfying Mix and Mash slime from Compound Kings is the maker. Anyway, we just wanted to show you the funny fart sounds that Sophie can make with slime. She seems to enjoy this stuff quite a bit. Just not opening the bucket though. Let's do it.
Okay.
So yes, this video is literally going to be about making fart sounds. So she likes using a couple of things, a putter, some, actually yeah, this.
It's a potato masher.
Potato masher. For us, or for Sophie, she just happens to like the racket. It works best for her. She does a couple of little cool tricks. She just wanted to show you. So,
what are you going to do?
Let's get started.
First thing is the racket.
The racket.
The racket. That's
Do the thing.
See? We have the racket.
And here comes Sophia's brother into the room.
The cameraman.
I didn't know y'all were doing a video.
Cameraman boy.
Interrupting
Our video.
our video.
Go away.
Okay, so then.
Yes. You get yours.
Let's do this already. Here you go. Trick number 1. She loves doing this. I didn't even know this was a thing until she showed me.
Yeah.
Alright, trick number 1.
Got it.
Let me help
I
you
won.
out with this. Hey, that was a good one.
A. Hay's for horses.
Hay's for horses, you cow.
Not cow.
My turn. She thinks that she can do this better than me.
You call it good. Sir.
Let me see. My turn, my turn.
He always fails. Look at that.
The trick is that you press it down and the slime has to adhere to the surface you're on long enough.
Yeah.
Or adhere enough so that it doesn't come up when you pull this thing
Yeah.
up. But check this out. This is going to be epic. Epic.
You got twisted.
I didn't have to do anything.
Mine was way better.
It was what?
Way better.
Whose was louder?
Yours.
That's
Not
right.
yours.
Team-
Look what he did to this.
Team Dad won.
No.
Sophia.
Look. No. Next. I won that one.
All right.
Comment down below. Sophia team or Dad team?
Let's do this. Thumbs down me. Thumbs down you. Let's do one more of the racket.
Then this, and then that.
So we can settle it.
We're not
Once and for
selling
all.
the racket. These are for $28.
These are not $28. This
You
is
told
$6. I told you 28.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I lied. It was only $6. I just wanted to make you feel bad.
What? What?
Oh, this is yours. It's your turn.
Yeah. You always steal my turns. Stick.
Look, what's this?
It's kind of eyeball.
It's the evil eye.
Yeah.
It's calling.
Good.
He's calling an eyeball. Since you're short, I'll help you.
Hey. Eat all of it.
Nah, mine was better.
Hey, I got another one that is way crunchier than yours.
My turn. Ready? To be amazed?
No.
You can't even look, right? That's how much you know you're gonna lose.
Oh. It's not gonna work.
Yes, it is.
I popped it up.
All right, your
Yeah.
turn. Beat that.
I was trying to clean it up.
Oh wait, whose turn is it?
We're on the next trick.
Oh, next trick.
But
I declare myself the winner.
no.
Okay, next trick.
Poking. Just this.
I think, yeah.
It's way bad.
It's way bad. See, it's what you get.
Oh no. So all you gotta do, stretch it up. And then do, and then do that.
I have to do that?
Yeah, that's super easy.
I wasn't paying attention.
Oh
to
my
you.
god, you're dating me all around. I gotta do
Oh, okay.
up, down, down, around. That was good. His is bad. Just look at it. Okay.
How? I forgot already.
You just get in the middle. He doesn't know how to stretch. All I gotta do, cliff.
Oh! Get in the middle and stretch.
You still got it. Go. Not done. Next one. Hold on. Let me do one more time. Alright, next one. Oh, and then a fart noise.
Where'd that noise come from? Whatever.
It always does that.
Whatever.
Look, I gotta do here. I gotta do this. Oh, what am I doing?
Fail!
I always learn this from videos this slime. You see? One more time. And then. It's kind of hard, right? What to do?
My turn.
Yes.
Get it in the middle.
You don't? You get it from the back. What else? He's already doing it wrong. You did it wrong.
What do you mean?
You did the last one. Look, you get the back. Look, give it from the back.
Get it from the back.
Stretch.
Stretch it over.
Oh my god.
No.
You stretch it more. There. Stretch. One more time.
Well, I don't have 3 hands, dude.
Dogs. Okay. That's it. Squeeze it.
Oh, hold on. Look. I got it. I figured it out. Like that.
I learned it from videos this slime.
Like that. Did I pass?
Maybe. Make sure you're commenting down below. Me winning. Him losing. Alright, because I have to teach him. I already know. Next is the potato masher.
Potato masher? I got one. For $1.
At
At the Dollar Tree.
Jinx. That's all I gotta say. So it's kind of like the racket, but smaller. And you gotta wait longer because it's worse.
Why?
Mm-hmm.
What are we waiting for?
There you go. I always use this before.
It's like a mini racket.
Yeah, I always use this before when I didn't have those things.
When you didn't have the rackets, that's what you would use? Hey, this is kind of easier. Maybe we can find a bigger potato masher.
Maybe that's what they use. Maybe it's this one.
And it's easier than holding onto the racket.
And that's what
That didn't work at all.
That's what I say. You gotta wait.
Oh, you gotta wait.
Yes. Wait.
Wait.
Nope. Pat down.
Pat it down. And then, how long? That long. Bruh, that's mine. That's not yours.
Patting down is not stretched.
Here
There
it
you
goes. Here it goes. There it went.
It's so good. Oh, almost fell.
Yeah. Beat that.
We don't have any more. I already did it, but okay. I had a lot of experiments with this, but now the rackets came in and it was so good. So better.
So much.
Better.
Leather.
Then, what do I sound like PC? There you go. That sounded just like the racket.
George liked it. Look, he's saying,
Well, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment down below who won. Me. Bye! Merry Christmas. Bye!
Merry Christmas.
Bye! Alright, we have a new guest here. It's Invisible Daddy. Okay, next one is kind of easy. You just stretch it up. Run. See? Super easy. Now you turn, Invisible Daddy.